In this video, let's talk about the half-century wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are aftermarket accessories installed between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels. They can increase the wheel clearance. The high-quality wheel spacers can help the Mercedes with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, wide body kit upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, and more. If you are worried about the spacers will cause vibration, we recommend buying high-quality half-century wheel spacers. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. The half-century wheel spacers come with a half-century lip as a transition point. For some vehicles, the protrusion may stick out the half-century lip of the spacer by a few millimeters. Then you need to change to wheel spacers with thinner half-century lips. Bonus half-century wheel spacers ensure that the wheel spacers better fit the hub protrusion. Every vehicle is different. As long as you choose the right half-century spacers, there will be no problem. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the Bonus wheel spacers can also be wheel adapter with different data, providing vehicle owners with more tools. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.